Today we're going to be discussing whether silicone works better or nonstick tinfoil works better for powder coating bullets. Okay, so I got both the silicone and the nonstick tinfoil here. We're going to make a side-by-side comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this one in the oven. I want to know how well do they stick onto the silicone. So we're going to wait 20 minutes and then we'll see. Okay guys, so the silicone one is done. It's over there. I'm going to pull it out and put it right here, and then we're going to see how it does. So okay guys, I'm not going to lie. That is impressive. Anyway, like guys, those just rolled right off like butter. I haven't even done my side-by-side comparison on the tinfoil over there yet because, you know, it's been a while since I cast bullets. But I don't even think I want to do it. I think I'm going to put them on the silicone and do them on the silicone. But I'll do the comparison just to show you kind of what the difference is. Let's test out the non-stick tinfoil. Okay, so there's non-stick tinfoil up here. Just gloves. Okay, you can already see they're kind of sticking on there. That doesn't happen with silicone. I mean, it's still pretty good. Look at that. It's impressive. I'm not gonna lie. The name brand Reynolds Wrap nonstick tinfoil is really good, but you only get like 3 uses out of it. Whereas the silicone, well, that bullet didn't turn out very good. Whereas the silicone, I'm assuming will last pretty much for freaking ever. So anyway, guys, that's the moral of the story. Go get yourself one of these silicone things to cast bullets on. Now, I haven't tested this for like hundreds and hundreds of uses, or even dozens, but I'm guessing it's going to be pretty good. I'm going to be casting and powder coating a lot of bullets here, so if it does suck, I will post that here soon. Anyway, guys, if you have any thoughts on different things to powder coat bullets or anything, or want to see my whole thing on powder coating bullets, go see that here. Anyway, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.